In this video, we will learn how to install TikTok on laptop. So let's begin. To download and install TikTok on PC, laptop or a computer, what you have to do is just go and open your browser. I'm opening Google Chrome, and here just go and search for BlueStack. To install TikTok on PC, what you have to do is first we have to install a small software, and then we will just go and install TikTok. And here just go and click on this BlueStack link. Once you are here, just go and click on download BlueStack. And here just go and click on download and wait for the download to start. I will be back when the download has finished. So once the download has completed, what you have to do is just go and open your download folder. And here is the download, so just go and double click to install it. And just go through the installation process. The installation process will take some time, so just go through the installation process. And here just go and click on install. And wait for the installation process to complete. So once the installation is complete, it will automatically open the BlueStack app player. And here what you have to do is just go and click on search. And here just go and search in for TikTok. And here just go and click on search play for TikTok. And here just go and click on continue. Here you have to add your Google account. Just go and type in for your email and password. And here just go and hit enter. Click OK. And here just go and click on next. Click continue. Select your account. Click OK. Click continue. And here just go and click on let's go. And here just go and click on search, and here just go and search for TikTok. Hit enter, and here it is, TikTok including Musically. And here just go and click on install, accept, and it will start downloading TikTok including Musically. And wait for the download process to complete. I will be back when the download has finished. Download and install process has completed. You will see like this, and here just go and click on open, and just go and wait for the app to open. And here you can see the app has successfully downloaded and installed, and you can use your app here. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved. You can just go and start the BlueStack from the desktop also, and again use the Musically app. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.